Today we have a camera for indoors. This is a 360 camera. This is perfect for if you have babies or cats or dogs you want to monitor. It's a two-way microphone too, also included. Also, if you don't want the service, because you could require service to actually log in, you need to log in, but they have additional service, cloud service that you can buy for recording. But if you lift it up, there's a memory card that you could set up in here. Now this is a micro USB that you need to plug in, right? And it's a 5 volt, it's included with it. There's also a reset button here, so if you ever reset this thing or lose the password or something, you can always reset it. Now this one's pretty awesome to have around your area. In fact, I am recording with this camera, my 3D monitoring, also my pets. So we're gonna take a look at some of the features that I actually recorded from. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works. So this is the actually application that you're looking at right now. You got your remote in here, and you can remote left or right. All right, this is very basic that you can see. You can change the quality of it from SD to HD to UHD. So lower end is the UHD, SD is the highest. And then you got also your history. You got your, because I have no card right now, so there's no SD card, but you, like I said, you could buy additional cloud system. And then you have your album, all the stuff you saved. And of course, I saved so many videos on my cat and see what he's doing, so I always could go back and remote into the camera and see what I'm looking at too. So this is something very awesome that I like about the features, that you could capture live capturing on your albums, and you could go in there. And then settings, pretty much basic settings. You could set up local settings, you could announcements and so forth. This camera is very simple to utilize and actually set up, so not that difficult. You can always go to live view and keep it on. It has a great night vision also. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.